Welcome to Baz Travels.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
We've made it inside the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History. From the towering dinosaurs in the fossil hall to the glittering Hope Diamond and the wonders of the deep ocean, this place tells the epic story of our planet. There is an incredible world to discover in every gallery we're about to visit. So let's dive in and enjoy exploring the greatest wonder of the natural world together.
These and other kits that characterize marine species are not as distinct from all others to be one time to evolve.
To a very dramatic event that took place just outside this cave almost 2 million years ago. By examining the clues, you can bring that story to life. To get started, push a button in front of one of the clues.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.